Let's tone my hair, even though I've never toned my hair before. So let's start out with my hair color and what it looks like. So I got my hair done, I don't know, I think it's been about 3 months now. I usually go back every 3 months, but I'm stretching it out to 4 months, and it doesn't look bad, but my hair tends to pull warm and brassy. So I feel like it's starting to get a little bit warm, a little bit brassy. So I'm hoping this toner concoction kind of neutralizes that, kind of helps cool it, tone it. Fingers are crossed. I'm hoping it doesn't change my hair color too much. If it goes a little bit darker, I'll be okay with that, but I don't know. We're just gonna try it. So I am toning with Redken EQ. You might be asking how you got Redken EQ when you are not a hairstylist. Well, I have my ways, okay? I have a special little website I use, and they don't ask for my license or anything. So this is what I am using. So we have this one, and this one. I've been watching videos and they all do equal parts mixed with developer. So 1-to-1 ratio. So I went ahead and did equal parts of all 3 of these colors. And then you have to use the Redken EQ Gloss Processing Solution. Again, equal parts. And this is what I got, this little concoction right here. Now, I'm sure you're probably very worried for me, but that is why we are testing it first on a hair extension. So I'll show that in just a minute. But I picked these shades because I was kind of going off of this chart right here. And not only this chart, but also a TikTok video. So I saw this video that I'm gonna put on the screen right here, and I thought her end result was beautiful. So I was like, if she used those shades and her hair kind of looks similar to what mine looks like, then I feel like I'll get the same kind of result, hopefully. But yeah, so don't hate on this video too much. I know a lot of hairstylists follow me, and you know what? I am very much a DIYer. I love DIYing. I also love my hairstylist. I have no issues going to her, and if I mess it up, she'll fix it because she loves me and I love her. So let's insert the clip of me testing this on an extension. All right, I have the extension in, and I will show you where it is if you can't see it. Obviously, it is lighter than my hair, but it's going to give us a good idea of how this toner is going to pull. So I'm going to experiment on my extensions before I experiment on myself. All right, I've got this scale here that I use for my sourdough. So if it looks dirty, well, it is. All right, reminder, this is what the color looks like right now. We've got our solution, and I'm just going to put some gloves on. I've got one hand here, so. All right, processing time starts right now. It's 11:57.
A few moments later.
It is 12:17. I'm just going to stick my hair extension in the sink, and I'm gonna wash, dry, and I'll be back. Okay, here it is after. I feel like I gotta put it in my hair to see. It's a little bit better now. So let's take a before shot of my hair so we can really see the difference. So a lot of people said to leave your front framing pieces out and color those last. So I guess that's what we're going to do. And I don't know the best way to do this other than just do it. I am gonna put a towel down at my feet here so it doesn't get all over my rug. Oh my gosh, I don't know what I'm doing. Here we go. All right, I'm trying to be quick with it because I know when my hairstylist does this on me, she's quick with it. And I am gonna go in with a brush too and just kind of brush this through. But right now I'm gonna use my hands. So that seems like the easiest way to apply on yourself. I don't know. You guys let me know in the comments below if you've ever done this before and how you do it. I feel like I'm gonna have to definitely go back and do some more spots. I think it should be more saturated, right? We're just going with it, guys. We're just going with it. What if I bring it all over here? Just kind of do it like this. I am gonna go through and brush it. Again, I'm not a hairstylist. I'm a wannabe hairstylist. I'm definitely a DIYer though. Like I am not scared to DIY anything. All right, it is 12:45. So I'm gonna let this sit for 20 minutes and we'll be back. Actually, I'm gonna come back in 10 minutes and do these and then, okay, I'll be back in 10 minutes. Okay, we are at 10 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and do these front pieces. Ooh, just got some on my cheek. And I'm brushing it through just to make sure it is even. All right, about 9 more minutes now and I'm gonna rinse. Rinse and dry and I'll show you the reveal. Okay, we ready for the reveal? 3, 2, 1. Hey! I think it looks so good. It definitely helped to neutralize that orange brassiness that we were seeing. Oh, I love it. I was so nervous it was gonna be too dark and I am so glad that I waited 10 minutes before I did these front framing pieces. That way it kept some of that brightness up front and it didn't get lost with the rest of the hair. So adds a little bit of dimension. It literally looks like I colored my hair. Like I just got it colored. It looks so good. I'm actually very shocked. It's so like glossy. So now I feel really good. If my hair ever gets to that stage again, I can just tone it myself, which makes me feel good. Like I said, I don't go to my hairstylist for another 2 months, but I think I'm okay with that because I'm loving how this looks. Let me show it to you from all angles. This looks really good. I'm obsessed. What do you guys think? Do you like it too? I need to hear from you. Let me know in the comments below. Everything I used here will be linked below in my description box, so be sure to check it out. If you haven't already, don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll see you guys in my next one.